Today, I'm going to show you how to import a website to Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you're migrating from another platform and want to bring all your existing content over without having to rebuild everything from scratch. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all your Squarespace sites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to import content. This opens up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all its settings and customization options. Now, look over to the left side menu. You'll notice several icons listed vertically. Find and click the gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings area where you can adjust various aspects of your site, including the import and export features we're about to use. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings menu on the left side of this settings page. Make sure you're on the website tab. This is usually selected by default, but it's worth double checking to ensure you're in the right place. This tab contains all the core website management options. Within the website settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Import and Export Content. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you move content between platforms seamlessly. Once you're there, click the Import button to begin the process. Now here's where it gets interesting. Squarespace gives you 3 choices for importing content from other platforms. You can import from WordPress, Tumblr, or Blogger. Simply click on whichever platform you're migrating from. Each option will require you to provide some specific information about your existing site to authenticate the transfer. For example, if you're importing from WordPress, you'll need to insert your WordPress URL in the field provided. After entering the URL, you'll be prompted to log in to your WordPress account. This step is necessary because Squarespace needs permission to access and transfer your content securely. Once you've logged in and everything is verified, click Import. Squarespace will then begin pulling your content from the selected platform. Depending on how much content you have, this process might take a few minutes, so be patient and let it complete fully. Once finished, your imported content will appear in your Squarespace site and you can start customizing it to match your new design. And that's it. You've successfully imported your website content to Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.